corner. I'm so excited to share with you this best macaroni salad ever. Now this is a bit more gourmet than grandma's version, and it's also lower in fat, but it's super rich in flavor. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so these are the ingredients you will need for this wonderful pasta salad. You're going to start off by boiling the pasta. Go for a minute or two more than the al dente time it says on the back of the box. Since we're serving this pasta cold, you want the spirals to be nice and soft. Onto the dressing, you're going to add to a bowl 1.5 cups of mayonnaise and 1 cup of 2% plain Greek yogurt. It's the combination of the mayo with this yogurt makes for the creamiest macaroni salad ever. You'll need a 1/4 cup of this crisp white wine vinegar, adjust it to your liking, and lastly you'll need a clove of crushed garlic and of course some salt and pepper. This dressing is absolutely the yummiest combination of ingredients, and there's plenty of it because, as you guys may already know, pasta loves to suck up as much moisture as possible while it sits, so with this nice amount it only gets better as it chills in the fridge. Now to finish this salad up, add all of that strained and rinsed pasta to a nice big mixing bowl with 3 to 4 celery stalks that have been nicely chopped up. You're going to add a half a bunch of chopped up parsley and a small can of sliced olives that have been drained. These are diced pimientos. You can find these next to those canned olives at the grocery store. You're going to drain out all the water as well and add them on in there. Pour all of that heavenly dressing over the bowl, mix it up until everything's fully incorporated, and that is it. Your best ever macaroni salad is ready to enjoy. But let me tell you guys, as this chills in the fridge, I'm not exactly sure what happens with all the mixture of ingredients. It slightly thickens and becomes the most mind-blowing texture. I think it might have something to do with the yogurt. It keeps its structure while the flavors blend together, and every bite has a mouthful of light, crisp, tangy goodness. Enjoy this with a nice piece of focaccia or serve it at your next barbecue as a side dish, and it's guaranteed everybody's going to be asking you for the recipe. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new quick and easy recipes weekly, all of them always with a unique twist.
Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me